Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting exponential equation for the real values of x. So let's get started. If x square minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0, then LHS will be equal to 0, RHS will be equal to 0. So we are going to get two real solutions from this equation if real solutions are there. So let us solve this quadratic by using quadratic formula. X will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our quadratic equation, a is 1, b is minus 5, c is plus 5. We'll apply all the values here and we will write minus of minus 5 plus minus square root of minus 5 whole square 25 minus 4 times 1 times 5 is 20 over 2 times 1 2 will be equal to 5 plus minus square root 5 over 2. So we are going to get two real solutions. I am writing x1 comma x2 will be equal to 5 plus square root 5 over 2 and 5 minus square root 5 over 2. Now, if x square minus 5x plus 5 is not equal to 0, so I will write here if x square minus 5x plus 5, this is non-zero, then we will write our equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole power x square equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. Because of this is not equal to 0, we can divide both sides by x square minus 5x plus 5. Let's divide here also x square minus 5x plus 5. We will cancel numerator denominator. We will write 1 as RHS. In LHS, we are going to use quotient rule, which says a power b over a power c. This will be equal to a power b minus c. So we can write our exponential equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole power x square minus 1 equal to 1. This is our exponential equation, which is having one specific exponential form a power b equal to 1. We used to solve such questions using three cases. Let me write cases here. A power b equal to 1. If our base a, if base a equal to 1, then we are going to get RHS 1. Second case, if our exponent or power is equal to 0, at the same time a should not be 0 because 0 raised to the power 0 is not defined. Case 3, here our base a is negative 1 and its power b is even numbered. Then we are going to get RHS 1. Minus 1 with even power is always plus 1. So we have three cases and we will pass our exponential equation through these three cases. So our equation is x square minus 5x plus 5 raised to the power x square minus 1 equal to 1. This is A and here we have B. So case 1, base equal to 1. So let me write here case 1. Here A is equal to 1 and A is x square minus 5x plus 5 equal to 1. By writing all the terms to one side, we will get x square minus 5x plus 5 minus 1. So plus 4 equal to 0. So I can write here x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 0. Using method of factorization, we will easily find factors x minus 1, x minus 4 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to 1, x equal to 4. Now we will take up case 2. Here we have condition on its power b equal to 0. Make sure a should not be 0. Let's find out b equal to 0. So if I will put b value x square minus 1 equal to 0, we will write x square equal to 1. After taking a square root both sides, we will get x equal to plus minus 1. Now we will check our base a non-zero. So I have to find a1, a minus 1, and both should be non-zero values if acceptable or if x to be real. So I will find a1 first, and I need to write here a also, x square minus 5x plus 5. So plug in x equal to 1, we will write a 1 square minus 5 times 1 plus 5 will be equal to 1 minus 5 plus 5 will be equal to 1. And this is non-zero number. Now we will find a of minus 1 will be equal to minus 1 square minus 5 times minus 1 plus 5, which will give us 1 plus 5 plus 5. Value will be 11, and this is non-zero. So from this case 2, we are going to accept both the solutions plus minus 1. Now we will take up case 3, and case 3 is our base is negative 1 and our exponent should be even. Then we are going to get RHS 1. So A is x square minus 5x plus 5 equal to minus 1. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, which we can factor easily and write x minus 2 times x minus 3 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write x will be equal to 2 and 3. Now we have to check our power. B should be even numbered for these x values. So we have to find b of 2 and b of 3. So let us write here b is equal to x square minus 1. We will put x equal to 2. So we will write 2 square minus 1. Value will be 4 minus 1, 3. Now we will find b of 3. This will be equal to 3 square minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So 3 is odd and 8 is even. We will accept 3 and we will reject 2. So x equal to 3 will be accepted solution from case number 3. Now I will be writing all the possible solutions. So from the base equal to 0, we have two solutions, 5 plus minus square root 5 over 2. From case 1, we have two solutions, 1 and 4. From case 2, we have two solutions, 1 and minus 1. From case 3, we have only one real solution, x equal to 3. So in total, we can write there will be 6 solutions. 5 plus minus square root 5 over 2 plus minus 1, 3 and 4. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.